The first thing a student needs to do is go to the App Store and download Google Classroom. Once it has been downloaded, tap to open. Okay, and then they are going to need to sign in. And they need to sign in using their student ID at calallen.org. They also need to use their district password. They can allow or don't allow. Okay, and these are the classes that are available. Okay, and because the student was already added, the student did not need to input a class code. If you have not added a student via invite, then the student will need to type in the code that is provided to them by the teacher.